Method 1. Forced to restart PS4 console. Press the power button and hold it down for around 7 seconds. The console will beep twice and shut down. Leave the system off for a while and then power it back on. Now, check if the error is solved or not. If you still face the error, try the next method. Method 2. Check the HDD compatibility. Every HDD hard disk drive is not supports on PS4 console. So, you need to check the specification of the HDD, or you need to know before buy a HDD for your PS4 console. If the HDD is full or it has insufficient storage space, the error code CE-30022-7 also appears on the screen. Method 3. Manually update PS4 firmware. If the PS4 firmware is outdated or Sony release a new version of PS4 firmware software, you can face the error CE-30022-7. There are some PS4 console who doesn't get a notification for update the firmware. In this situation, you need to download the firmware and manually update the PS4 firmware from your side. Method 4. Check the HDD on a computer. Sometimes when you'll connect the HDD on a computer and open it successfully, then insert it on the PS4, and sometimes the error is fixed. To test on a computer, connect the USB drive. Open this PC. Your connected storage device should show up under the Devices and Drives section. Double-click on it to open it. Copy a file onto your device. Disconnect the device, reconnect it and check if the moved file is corrupted, damaged. Method 5. Initialize the PS4 external storage drive. Press and hold the PlayStation button on the controller. Click on Notifications and choose the connected device from the list. In the next window, click the Format as Extended Storage button and click Next. If you are prompted with a confirmation window, just allow it. Then click on OK to start the formatting process. Don't forget to like and subscribe for me.